Okay.
Thank you. Andrew McChaser sent us a message. RE Russia saying, bury me in a disco oven, my life is complete. So awesome. So many people enjoying that. Next, we're going to Hungary. Oh, by the way, the Russian grannies are trying to raise money for their local church after Stalin knocked it down 70 years ago. So hopefully, with the publicity from this, they'll raise enough cash. Hungary next, a band called Compact Disco, which is a clever name until CDs die out completely, and then it's all downloads, and then their cool name, not quite as cool. Doesn't that arena look incredible? Crystal Hall in Baku, Azerbaijan, where we're broadcasting live tonight. This is called The Sound of Our Hearts, Compact Disco for Hungary.
The whole big world is just one place. You can say it's all the same. You may feel hatred ourselves. We can show it's no way to go. And to see the side of our hearts, if you listen, and to see the sea from above, and it can say it all. To see the fever they can't take away, and to see the side of, the side of, the side of our hearts, the side of our hearts, the side of our hearts. Harmony can be achieved. Just find some way to get connected. Differences may not be wrong. They reach things that we know. Different faiths, different views. All we can do is to turn that key. And this is the side of our hearts. If you listen, and this is the sea from above, then it can say it all. This is the fever they can't take away. You see the side of, the side of, the side of. And this is the side of our hearts. If you listen, and this is the sea from above, and it can say it all. This is the fever they can't take away. And this is the side of, the side of, the side of our hearts. Oh, oh, the side of our hearts. Oh, oh, the side of our hearts. Thank you.